शुरू करें। This is not your average motivational video. Today we will try and see what this motivation exactly looks like. There is so much to dig in जब हम inspiration और self help की बातें करते हैं और इस फाइल के ऊपर कुछ सवाल ऐसे हैं जो न जाने हम कब से पूछ रहे हैं. How do we stay motivated? How do we get inspired? And we look for it almost everywhere and daily. The thing about motivation and inspiration is that other than being subjective, it is supremely personal. 7.8 billion people on this planet can give us at least 7.8 billion stories, which loosely means that everyone has his or her own measure of motivation and inspiration. आप ये सोचिए कि एक सवाल का जवाब ढूंढने के लिए न जाने कितनी ही बुक्स लिखी गई है और न जाने कितने ही लोगों से हम इंस्पायर होने की कोशिश करते हैं. And we put every effort to follow them up. We copy them and their style. We try to do things exactly like they do. We even try to fail at things like they did just in order to succeed. Now, there is a very good chance that simply being like others or walking a similar path may lead us to a destination elsewhere और हम वापस आ जाते हैं अपने mode and zone of finding our destination पे. And then there are working techniques, the science behind being motivated. There are cognitive theories जो आपके अंदर के motivation को ढूंढ के निकालती है. There are reinforcement theories जो आपके milestone achieve होने पर आपको reward करती है या punish करती है and so many more. एक बात तो पक्की है that despite having so many theories around the world, whatever is going to work for you is going to be unique and relevant to you and only you. How do we know this? Especially when we are tired and physically have no energy to go on. How do we convince our brain to continue? The books, the talks, the people, our friends often tell us things like, you can win, pain is temporary, glory is forever, and ask us to follow people who are either already doing good or are sounding good. And this is where the key is. हमारे motivation की image, हमारे success की image is that the person we are looking up to is happy or successful in the ways that we want to be. जो वो करना चाहते हैं, हम वो करना चाहते हैं. The physical manifestation of motivation is that we want to end up in places where we want to be, just like the person in a book or in a video. और हमें लगता है कि उस status को achieve करने के लिए हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत है. But there may be an alternative.
Dropping ज्ञान.
You can mobilize motivation by breaking down primitive versions of things that need to be done. Instead of following exactly what people do, let's understand that how their version of motivation looks like in our lives. Motivation is discipline. Motivation is hard work. Motivation is talent. Motivation can even be that you are down and want to cry but still want to get back up the next day and want to put up a fight. तो इस एपिसोड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा 3 ऐसे की स्टेप्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मोटिवेशन की इमेज हमारी लाइफ में कैसी दिख सकती है एंड हाउ वी कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इट. लेट्स बिगिन. स्टेप 1, अनकंपैरिजन. मोटिवेशन की डेफिनेशन और इसके तरीके सबके अलग अलग होते हैं क्योंकि इसके मायने सबके लिए अपने अपने होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई देयर आर सो मेनी सक्सेस स्टोरीज. इससे हम एक बात ये जरूर सीख सकते हैं दैट वन स्टोरी हैज नो को रिलेटिव टू अनदर. आप किसी और के स्टेटस और अपने स्टेटस को कंपेयर करके मोटिवेशन का मेजर नहीं ले सकते. स्टेप 2, change of inertia. Sometimes our default thinking is Virat Kohli is such a great cricketer and he gets to play for the country and do so many exciting things every day, and we try to derive our sense of achievement from that end goal. No. Virat Kohli is a great cricketer because he practices every single day. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, try to discipline it in your routine. Step 3, yielding results. Motivation is not a one-time thing. It's like eating. हो सकता है इसकी जरूरत आपको हर रोज पड़े और इवन मे बी फॉर डिफरेंट थिंग्स ऑल टुगेदर. बट हम इसे देखेंगे कैसे? आपके रिजल्ट को जैसा दिखना चाहिए, मेक अ नोट और अ मार्क ऑफ इट. इट कैन बी अ फाइनेंशियल माइलस्टोन और एन अचीवमेंट दैट यू वांट टू गेट टू. It can be a choreography or a dance routine that you want to learn or earn 1 crore rupees. You are already doing things to achieve it, and when you are closer to your mark or have achieved it already, you know you have been motivated. और जब आप इसका एक नोट रखते हैं, that is your image of motivation. To create and sustain that drive is not going to be easy. तो आज का mental note is a feedback check on the entire process. Take that necessary rest. If at any point you find yourself physically, emotionally or mentally drained, take rest, bookmark your process, pick it back up tomorrow. The world is not ending unless it is. I hope आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. If you or anyone you know needs help regarding anxiety or depression, दरवाजा खोलो has a reach out form जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. Share this video with as many people as possible because you don't know किसको इसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए. मेरा नाम है प्रथमेश. Signing off. खुश रहो, keep smiling और सुनो, दरवाजा खोलो. Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.